Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jalen Dawes, of course, and this is Jalen Unplugged. Today is July 27th. We are back. We are back to work today. So we are heading back home right now. We just dropped off Juju to the babysitter, and currently it is 7 o'clock, as you can see down there, 7 o'clock. So we are heading back home right now so we can get on the charts. We should be home around like 7:30-ish. So we'll have more than enough time to get home, do our prayers, and then jump on the chart. And maybe even make ourselves some tea. Hopefully we have enough time to do it. But yeah, so we're on the way back home right now. So once I get home, I'll get back with you guys once we're in the office. Let's go. All right, guys, we just got home. It is currently 7:26, so we are going to jump on the computer real quick, get a glimpse at the market to see where we are and what we possibly could be doing. And then I'm gonna take Zion out for a walk. So let's go ahead and jump on these charts real quick. So based on what I see right now, I'm looking for a sell today. Based off of what I see, we're definitely looking for a sell today. I don't see any reason why we would continue higher unless we completely break these supply zones. But if we don't do it before 8 o'clock, we're not going to continue higher. We will start dropping. So let's go ahead and walk Zion real quick and hopefully make it back over here before 8 o'clock. So let's go walk our boy Zion real quick. All right, guys, I just closed our trade. We got a little bit more than a 1 to 12, but we didn't really end with that much profit because of how much we lost on the first two trades. So we took 3 trades total today. 2 trades, both losses, pretty big losses, unfortunately. But we did make a 1 to 12, and we made up for those losses. So we got what we could out of it. Now we are going to finish our workout. And once we're done working out, we're going to go get some gas in my car. So that's why I was trying for the bottom for the buy, because we gave a couple buy signals that price was gonna go up, and it did. It gave me a 1 to 12. I can't be upset, but that was after me taking 2 losses. And it's my fault that the losses were big. I should have reduced risk, but I didn't. And it is what it is, bro. We live to trade another day. We didn't lose no money today. At one point, we were down pretty big. We were down about like 800, but we made all of it back and then some. So I can't even be upset about it. It is what it is. I knew the risk of today. I even said earlier that today is gonna be a sell day, and we were buying instead of selling. But we just never got a good entry for the sell. So it is what it is. The sell entry that we were looking for never got filled. We just continued to drop, kind of like what we did, what was that, last week? We did that as well. And let me see if market's still dropping. Yeah, market, bro, what? I'm glad I got out. Look at this shit. Look at this. Gave me my 1 to 12 here, and then it continued to drop. Yeah, ridiculous. So we got our 1 to 12. I'm happy we got our 1 to 12. We got out. And yeah, that's crazy work. Bro, that thing fell so hard. And you know what's even crazier? Before it fell, it broke all the highs. Like, it broke all the minor highs, but still never came back to give the entry for a sell. So, I mean, it is what it is. Today would have been a no trade day, and we made a little bit of profit. So that's, you know, and I can't even be happy that we made profit, because today, like I just said, should have been a no trade day. I should not have placed the trade today. I really need to work on my psychology, bro. I really need to work on it, because I keep taking trades. I'm not gonna say forcing trades, because I'm not forcing anything, but I keep taking the setup that I shouldn't. I know that we had a lot more selling pressure than buying pressure. So if I was gonna take anything, it should have been a sell. But that was not the case. I still, even after knowing that we were gonna have heavy selling pressure and that the buyers were present, because we were present, I was able to get a 1 to 12, but the selling pressure was just way too much. I should not have been trying to take a sell. Trying to take a buy. It was just way too much selling pressure. If we would have gotten our trade entry like we wanted, bro, today we would have probably went stupid. But hey man, small trade is better than losing trade. So we got that. We're gonna get some gas now. We just got to the gas station. And then I'll get with y'all once I get back to the crib. All right, y'all, it is 11:40, so we are gonna go take a shower because we work at 12:45. So let's go jump in the shower real quick so that way we can get out of here and get to work on time. Let's go. And once we get out the shower, I'm gonna show you guys what the chart actually looks like, because bro, gold has still been dropping. It has not come back up yet. So let's go jump in the shower.
So the Russians or anyone else would hit.
All right, guys, so we are now heading to work. It's currently 12:25, so we should make it to work. It's currently 12:25, so we should make it on time. It's about a 20-minute drive anyway, so we should be getting there just in time to be able to clock in. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock this drive out real quick, and then we're gonna get to work, and then I'll see you guys once we get over to Costco. So I'll be right back. All right, y'all, we just got to work. It is 12:44, so we made it just in time. I am currently running inside right now, just grabbing all my stuff. Got my book, got my food, got my water. Now we need to hurry up and get inside. I hope I got my badge, but it's a beautiful day, guys. I feel good coming back to work. I wasn't really prepared to go back to work, but I'm ready for it. It is what it is. I just really didn't want to go back to work. Man, I can't wait till I'm making money trading. Well, making enough money trading to where it can cover all of my expenses. We're almost there. It's covering like a good 40 to 50% right now, but I needed to cover it like 110%. So once we're doing that, we'll be good. But until then, we got to go punch the clock. So I'll see you guys once I'm going on my first break. I'm pretty sure this was a complete accident or just coincidence, but the register that I'm on today is broken. And look at what they put on the note. Leave unplugged. Technical issue. Yes, sir. Stay unplugged, y'all boys. Stay unplugged. All right, guys. We are on our first break. It is 2:42. We're eating some Doritos. And honestly, work's pretty chill. I haven't really been doing much of anything. The computer that they had me on isn't really working. So right now they just kind of have me doing go backs, which is basically just putting groceries or items back on the shelves. And that's really ain't doing nothing. So today's been pretty chill. I'm going to watch some TikTok and I'm going to eat my chips. So I'll see you guys when I go on my lunch. All right, y'all. So we are on lunch now. We are going to be reading our YouTube Secrets book. And we have 25 minutes left on our 30-minute lunch. We're just waiting on our food to get out of the microwave. And then once we are done eating, I'm probably going to go outside, but I don't think I'm going to have enough time to do all that. So we're probably just going to end up sitting right here, eating and reading our book. And then we'll go back to work, have our last break, and then we're at the house after that. So let's go ahead and knock out this lunch real quick, and then I'll come back once we go on break, because I'm probably not going to go outside. So I'll see you guys once I go on break. All right, guys, we are off of work now. We had a great day. And you know what's crazy? Even though this is our first day back to work, guess what? Tomorrow, we're off. So today was great. I can't even complain about today. Today was really, really good. Actually, my first member today, I hit her with a roll of paper on accident. It was a complete accident. I felt so bad after doing it. Like, I was sitting there apologizing. I said sorry like 10 times, bro. I don't know what happened. It literally flew out of my hands. Like, I was holding the paper, right? I was changing the receipt tape. And keep in mind, this thing is hard. Like, if y'all ever use receipt tape, like, you know the brand new receipt tapes when you got to rip them apart. So that's what I was doing. And as I was ripping it, it slipped out of my hand, or it flew out of my hand, and it smacked this lady dead square in her chest, bro. Keep in mind, it's an older lady. So, like, I heard the doop as that shit smacked off her chest and then hit the floor. Like, it was just as loud hitting the floor as it was hitting her chest. That's how hard this paper hit her. I don't know how, but she was completely fine. She was like, I'm okay. Don't say sorry. It's okay. I seen how it happened. It literally just flew out of your hands. It was almost like if it wanted to attack me. And like, bro, I'm not gonna lie, bro. I don't know how. It literally flew out of my hands, bro. Like, there was nothing I could have done. Like, I feel like if I would have tried to hit it to, like, try to catch it or, like, smack it away, I would have probably made it worse and it would have hit her in the head or something. So I kind of just let it fly out of my hands as it was going because I couldn't catch it. And she completely understood. She was like, you're good. Don't say sorry. I'm okay. Like, let's just be happy that it happened to me and not somebody that would have been mean to you. And I was like, you know what? You're right. I thank God for that, because on my first day back, that would not have been a good look. That would not have been a good look whatsoever. But we definitely had a great day back. It felt good to be back. I was even reading my book on shift because it was pretty slow. So while we had downtime, I was just reading my book, and honestly, I just got to a really good part of the book, and it's making me want to continue reading. So I think probably not tonight, or I might read tonight once my wife is like going down to go to sleep, because I'm off tomorrow. I don't really have to worry about going to bed early. I think we might read tonight while my wife is watching TV in the bed or something. I don't know, but I kind of do want to continue reading tonight, so I think I'm gonna do that once I get home. I do want to continue editing a little bit. I want to at least finish yesterday's video and then start I at least want to finish yesterday's video and then start today's video, like the editing for it. And then that's pretty much it. I don't really have nothing else to do tonight. All right, y'all. We just made it to my office. I'm actually about to eat dinner. Look at Zion. Look at this dude, bro. I cannot catch a break. Bro, I just got home. Leave me alone, bro. Can I get a break? All right, so I'll get with you guys as soon as I'm done eating with the family. Then we're going to come in here, get some editing done, maybe get a new phone. We will see. So I'll be right back.